Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create halftone sphere effect in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, the artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of the artboard size. Apply the black fill color to it. Go to the Object menu, and lock the background. Go to the Ellipse tool and create a circle. Apply the black and white gradient to it. Set its radial gradient, and reverse the color. Go to the Effect menu, Pixelate and Color Halftone. Follow my settings. Go to the Object menu and rasterize it. Set its background to white. Click on the Image Trace button. Then expand it. Double-click on it, select white area. And delete it. Apply white color to it. Open the Symbol panel. Drag the effect to it. And delete it. Go to the Ellipse tool and create a circle. Use the Direct Selection tool, and delete left anchor point. Go to the Effect menu, 3D and Materials and Revolve. Go to the Materials and click on the Graphics section. And select the recent effect. Click on the invisible geometry. Increase its scale setting. Set the lighting. Then move the effect and adjust it where you want it to be. When you are done, open the rendering options and check the render as vector. Hit the render button. Then expand appearance. And you can add the color or gradient to it. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.